What is up, guys? Sean here. Welcome back to another video. I know you've probably been waiting for this for quite a while, but I'm going to do Messing Around in Kitchen Part 3! Yes, you heard it. Part 3! 1, 2, 3. Like, 1 paper towel, 2 paper towel, 3 paper towel. That's how it's going to go. Okay, this is now. What should I eat? Hello? What are you looking at? We're gonna be friends! Forever! What's in here? Oh. Showball pack. Gotta get out the Mountain Dew. Wanna see if I have ice cream? No ice cream. Dang it. Still gonna try. Without no ice cream. Maybe gross. If you don't like gross things, maybe don't watch. Okay, I'm gonna do. It's a new challenge I just created. It's called the Banana and Mountain Dew Challenge. See if it's good. Okay, how do you guys peel a banana? Comment down below. I go like this. I'm strong. Yeah, peel it off. Yeah, into twice. Okay. Where do I put? Okay. Let me get a plate. We're out of plates. Okay. Solo cup. Open Mountain Dew. Oh my god. For you too. Why did I do this? What? Yeah. Ew. I love bananas and I love Mountain Dew, but never mix them together. Let's open the counter. Not the counter, the cabinet. I'm smart. That was very loud. I did not break it.